Hello everyone, welcome to another PrizePicks tutorial video. Now in today's tutorial video, I will show you how to use promo codes on PrizePicks. Now as you know, PrizePicks is available in USA. We're doing a lot of videos on PrizePicks, so basically you want to go and make sure that you're in one of these states in order to use PrizePicks. With a VPN, it's a bit hard to use PrizePicks, however you can also use that as well. So basically, how do I redeem a sign-up code? So when you sign up for PrizePicks, you will be asked to share your email address as well as your referral code you have been given access to. Now, you can basically use your referral code. The corresponding promotion will be automatically applied. Now, if you don't have a referral code, you can click the checkbox mark "Don't have one," and this will automatically grant you the best promotion available at that time. So either way, you're getting a promotion. Now, for most new user promotions, you will receive a new bonus instantly. Other promotions may require an event to happen first. For example, a predetermined QB must complete a pass in order to get the promotions. How can you redeem a promo code after your first deposit? So sometimes you'll have a promo code. So as you can see, certain offers such as Reload and Reload Plus promotions will only work if you use a promo code. If you receive a promo code via email or push notifications after your first deposit, you can redeem it by sending it into live support. Now, if live support confirms that you're eligible, they will be able to apply the promotion to your account. So that's pretty much how to do it. You will need to go to your live support if you have if you want to redeem a promo code after your first deposit. So make sure to do that in order to basically go and use your promo code on PrizePicks. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.